In the heart of a dense forest where the sun's rays barely pierced the thick foliage, nestled a small, humble house. In this secluded dwelling lived a family whose life was as simple as the surroundings they inhabited. It was here, under these unusual circumstances, that a boy was born, a boy unlike any other. His distinguishing feature, an additional eye, right in the center of his forehead. His poor parents, taken aback by this unexpected peculiarity, were filled with a mix of astonishment and wonder. As the boy grew, his third eye remained a mystery, a riddle waiting to be solved. It wasn't merely an extra eye. It held powers that were beyond the grasp of ordinary human understanding. This wasn't a deformity, but a gift, a blessing even, though its purpose was yet to be discovered. The boy, named Orion, led a life that was far from ordinary. His third eye allowed him to see the world in a way that others couldn't. It wasn't about seeing the physical world, no, it was much more profound than that. Orion could perceive the emotions, thoughts, and energies of those around him. He could feel the joy, the sorrow, the anger, and the love that others experienced, as if they were his own. School was a challenge. It wasn't the academics that troubled him. It was the overwhelming flood of emotions he experienced from his peers. The happiness of a classmate acing a test, the frustration of another failing, the excitement of a school trip, the nervousness of a presentation. Orion felt them all. It was exhausting, yes, but also enlightening. He understood his peers, their motivations, their fears, their dreams better than anyone else ever could. As Orion grew older, he learned to control this ability. He could choose when to open his third eye, when to tap into this well of emotions and thoughts. He found solace in the forest, where the energies were pure and untarnished by human complexities. The forest was his sanctuary, his retreat from the overwhelming human world. But it wasn't just about escaping. Orion discovered that his third eye allowed him to communicate with nature in a way that was unimaginable. He could sense the life force in every tree, every animal, every blade of grass. He felt the harmony of nature, the balance, the interdependence of every living creature. He was connected to the world in a way that was unique, in a way that was extraordinary. Orion's story is not just about a boy with a third eye. It's about understanding and embracing our differences. It's about the power of empathy, of truly understanding others. It's about the deep, often overlooked connection we share with nature. In the end, Orion's third eye wasn't a curse, but a gift. It allowed him to experience life in all its complexities, to understand the world around him in a way that others could only dream of. It taught him empathy, compassion, and the importance of balance and harmony. Orion, the boy born under unusual circumstances, in a small house nestled in the dense forest, was indeed special. His third eye, once a source of astonishment and wonder, was now a symbol of wisdom and understanding.